All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and with today's video, I'm going to be replacing the forged carbon skin that I have currently on my Samsung Galaxy S21. And I'm going to be replacing that with my personal favorite skin, the black carbon fiber skin. So of course, these are from the skin company SopiGuard. This was sent to me free of charge to do my review on, so I was not paid for this, but they are personally one of my favorite skin companies when it comes to smartphones. They do skins for smartphones, earbuds, gaming systems, computers, laptops, you name it, even drones. So definitely check them out, SopiGuard.com. But with this one, I wanted to go ahead and once again leave this skin on here and kind of just go ahead and peel it off for the camera video purposes here. Because once again, in my other video, when I installed that skin, I wanted to do this again to show y'all how easy it is to take it off. There is no residue left, so very simple to uninstall. And then basically what you do with the install for the new ones is, as usual, you get the SopiGuard kind of dedicated microfiber branded cloth that they always give you. And then there's always the card that they send in the packages that just say go to SopiGuard.com before install, and then with your purchase you can put SopiGuard in the coupon section and get 10% off your purchase. And then of course they always come with a sterile alcohol prep pad. So all this comes with it, so that way you are able to easily install the skin to the device. So first things first is what you're going to do is wipe down the back of the phone with the alcohol pad here. And that's just getting the surface nice and clean and ready for the new skin. So pretty easy when it comes down to it. And then what you're gonna do is use the dedicated cloth that they sent you, and you're just gonna get it all nice and dry. And there we go. And then let's get the skin installed. So if you've seen any of my install videos of these skins, then you know that this is kind of the way I do them usually. So I'll stick half of the skin back on the paper that they were sent on, and that way I can try to match up the camera bump part with the actual skin. And then I can peel this up and easy peasy. So let's go ahead and try to match this up and see how easy it is. So there that is. And then you're gonna wanna just work it down. So it's kind of what I usually do. You can use like a credit card or something like that, but usually if you just work it down with your finger, it's going to do just fine. Okay, so there is the skin. Now with the S21, it does bleed over a little bit since it does kind of have that back that does bleed into the sides of the phone. So you just kind of have to just push those down. So that's pretty easy there. Make sure the camera bump is nice and pushed up. And there it is. So that was probably one of the easier ones. I have installed a ton of these skins and sometimes have to fast forward the video and all that, but I'm not gonna fast forward it at all because it literally took like 30 seconds to do. So there is the Phantom Gray phone with a black carbon fiber back. And as you can see here, it just looks really clean, really sleek, very fast, but also very just really professional looking as well with that black carbon fiber skin. And I'm always a big fan of not having the camera bump skin, but I think it would look way better with the actual carbon fiber camera bump. So let's go ahead and put that on as well so you get the full effect. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so there is the full effect with the black carbon fiber skin with the actual camera bump carbon fiber skin on there. So one of the things to point out is with the design of the camera bump, there is almost like a line that you can almost mock up the camera bump skin with, because as you can see here, it doesn't completely cover it up because the way that it is, how it bleeds into the sides of the phone. It definitely doesn't allow you to do it completely, and that's okay. For whatever reason, the camera bump skin has always been trickier for me. The back seems to be super easy, but then when I start trying to put the skin on here, since it's so skinny in between the lenses, it is a little harder, but it does take a little practice. I went ahead and just skipped to actually having the camera bump already covered, because it did take me a couple of attempts, but I was able to get it done after about the third attempt, so not very hard. But now, as you can see here, you do have just this really sexy looking S21 now, and obviously they do make the black 3M carbon fiber skin for the S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra as well. But once again, I think this just looks so sleek and just looks so damn good. I'm always a huge fan of the black carbon fiber skin. And the skin does come in around $9.99, I believe, but I'll put the right price somewhere over here. But you can go to SopiGuard.com and purchase this skin. But guys, this looks awesome. I love it. So there you go. So do hit that like button, comment down below, let me know if you plan on picking this skin up for your phone after you checked out this review. And then always, I do encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I do usually upload about once a week. I did get a little bit of delay because this week we had a big giant winter storm in Dallas-Fort Worth here in Texas. So I did get delayed a little bit. I've been dying to do this review, but I didn't have any power. So here it is. So once again, hit that like button, subscribe, do ring that notification bell, and see you on the next one.